Hello, this is Patton from Thrivident, and we're going to show you the easy way to scan and send your inventory. The very first thing you'll do is you're going to download the Orca Scan app. It's available in iOS, Android, and the Amazon App Store. Once you've got that done, you can go ahead and open it up. And we're going to make one adjustment here to make this even more simple. In your settings on the upper right-hand side where the gear icon is, go ahead and click that. And at the very top, it'll say add detail after each scan because we only need UPCs. We're going to go ahead and turn this feature off, and it's going to speed it up and make it even more simple. Once I've done that, I can hit done. Now it's time to get scanning. So I can go ahead and hit the scan button, and I'll put my phone over the barcode that I want to scan, and it's moving quickly. You'll either hear a small beat or feel a little pulse every single time. We're moving, we're grooving. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do 5 of these, make it real quick and easy. And once I'm done, I'll hit the cancel button at the bottom, and it'll show me the UPCs that I have scanned here. Feeling really good about this. We're nearly done. So now I can hit export where that little where the little envelope icon is, and I'm going to do just that. I'm going to send this as an email, and it'll automatically pull up your email client. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to type in hello at Thrivident, Thrivident.com, and you can go ahead and put in your name and a telephone number right here where that icon is, and then once that's done, you can go ahead and hit send. You'll get an automatic reply email saying, hey, we got this, we're ready to roll, we'll complete an appraisal, and then send that back to you with a couple of great selling options. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know.